Want to organize your photos and videos better by moving them into the Files app on your iPhone? Whether it's for easier access or better file management, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Stick with me till the end to make sure it's done right. Let's begin by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, scroll through and find the photos or videos you want to move. In the top right corner, tap Select, and then choose the items you want to transfer. With them selected, tap the Share icon at the bottom left of the screen. Scroll down the list of options and tap Save to Files. This will open the Files app interface. If you want to change the location, tap the Back button in the top left. Now choose where you want to save them. For example, you can tap On My iPhone, and then select or create a folder. Once you're happy with the location, just tap Save in the top right. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now let's go back and open the Files app. Head into On My iPhone and open the folder you saved them to, and there they are. To double check, open one of the saved files to confirm the transfer worked. The video or photo should load up without any issues, right from the Files app. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.